I built this bandsaw stand for my Bauer portable bandsaw. So the sign on YouTube, there's lots of videos, and I decided to build one. Um, the way I'm powering it up is I bought this switch outlet combo from Home Depot for $7.99, and I just wired it with an old extension cord that I had laying around. So when you turn it on, it will power the receptacle, and you have to find a way to keep your bandsaw on. So when you turn it on, it'll power it. The dimensions that I use for the stand are 20 inches by 15, and this piece back here is also 15 inches. And the cross member here is a 1-inch angle iron. It's roughly 8 inches long, and I like to just drill holes and mount them to the existing holes in the saw. I just built this little table here, and I did the cut in the front, so it will be easier to change the saw. I don't have to take it out when I change the blade. The way I wired the switch is, let me show you over here. I have an old receptacle. So usually you have 3 wires coming on your extension. You have your white, black, and the ground could be either a green wire or a solid wire. So the ground goes to the green screw in your receptacle. Then your black wire will go to one of these black screws on the right side, and you're gonna have to break off this tab. If you leave it, it would have power all the time. So once you break it off, you're gonna have to build a bridge between the bottom screw and the other side of the switch. All you do is just cut a small piece of wire and put it between this screw and the bottom on the receptacle here. And then your white wire goes to, this will be a chrome screw, but this is an old receptacle, as you can see. And that way the switch will just interrupt the signal between the power and the receptacle. So that's how I did it. Show you again. So power on. There is an option of buying some stands already built. For this one, I didn't spend, other than the electrical part, I didn't spend anything. I had all of this scrap metal laying around. I just put it together, and pretty much all I spent was like maybe $10, $7.99 for the switch, the box, and the little cap there. So there you have it, guys. If you want to build something similar,